Okay, here's my dirty, crusty 68 Firebird. Hey, Ken. Hey. Caltrax subframe connectors. Got solid body bushings made out of aluminum. This is the engine. It's 430 over, so 406. I put cheap nitrous kit on I got off of eBay. I only have one stage, it's actually a dual stage. Stock 1968 valves are in it, 16 heads, Street Dominator manifold, 800 double pumper, aluminum radiator, factory flex fan, polished, alternator. I reworked the bracket to put on the passenger side so it takes like 2 seconds to take it off. Same as a power steering pump because they're such a bitch for 68s to get off. So the power steering pump takes maybe 20 seconds to loosen off to change the belt. And it's got 4-wheel disc brakes. Not much to look at, but suspension wise it's set up. Let's start her up. Been sitting for about an hour. Nice idle at 6,000 or 600 RPM. Oil pressure's at 60. Temperature's just at just over 120. That's what it sounds like. Flow masters all the way to the back. That's what I like about the motor. Winds up real nice. There's no lag at all. Just instant throttle response. And that's how it is even when you take off. It's just instant tire frying. I don't have much room here. And that's the car. I've got homemade brackets for the gauges, and then I'm using a stock shifter from 69. When I pull it into first gear, I just push to the side, second gear, third gear, so you can't miss a shift. It's really a trick setup for a factory. Can't go more than just one gear. Anyway, that's my car.